Hi guys, welcome back to another session on Microsoft Excel macros, Visual Basic Applications. Okay, so in this session we are going to learn about input box command, dim keyword, if conditions, and uh, we'll develop one small Excel macro code to find whether the given number is even or odd. So basically input box functionality we are going to use to get the user inputs dynamically. Let's suppose the end user want to provide some input dynamically on ad hoc basis. Yes, we can utilize the input box. We will see how input box is going to work. We'll see a live example and the if condition we will also learn if condition. So this is the simplest thing. So if condition is nothing but we are going to check whether the condition is true or false. If the condition is true, it is going to execute the true block. If the condition is false, then it is going to execute the false block. Let's get started. Now we are in Excel uh, application. So we have already covered how to enable developer tab in Excel macro and how to save the Excel macro and how to write the Excel macro code. So uh, let me click on Visual Basic Application. So here we can write the Excel macro code. So today we are going to print whether the given number is even or odd. Let's see. Now I'm going to create a module. We have already covered how to create a module and how to start the subroutine and all. So if you have any queries or concerns, please drop me a message or your suggestion or comment in the comment section. I'll provide the required documents or details. So let me create a module and our macro name is even. So once you click on enter, it will auto generate the end sub and close and open curly braces. So first of all, we are going to declare a variable by using dim keyword. So if you want to declare any variable, we need to utilize the dim, we need to use dim keyword. So dim variable name val, and let's suppose if you want to declare any data type, yes, we can declare a data type as integer type, or else what we can do, we can also declare as string. So based on the data, we are going to declare data type, the string or boolean, whatever it is. So based on the data type, we are going to assign uh, data type to the variable. So but um, let's suppose if you don't want to assign any data type, that is also fine. So Excel macro will automatically identify the data and it will automatically convert data type internally. We no need to provide any data type explicitly. Okay, it will automatically convert the data type conversion internally. So we have created a variable by using dim keyword. Now we are going to use input box command. So I'm going to assign some value dynamically by using input box command. So here I'll write some prompt message. Please enter a value. So end user is going to print some value. Then we are going to check whether the given value is even or odd. So just let me test the input box functionality alone. Message box value. Okay, so let me try to run this piece of code. Let me click on run button. Here you can see input box message pop up. It is stating that please enter a value. So let me enter the value as 47 and let me click on. So here you can see the output is 47. So this is how we can provide a input values dynamically by using input box. So here what I'll do, I'll check whether the given value is even or odd. So for that, what we need to do, we need to write a if condition. If the value is modulo division 2, then I'll print a message box stating that message box uh, value is even number, else it is odd. So we can write else, and again I'll type message box value is odd number. Let me execute, and let me execute this piece of code. So here what I'll enter 22. 22 is even number. Let's see. 22 is odd number. Okay. Sorry, here I forgot to mention the condition is equal to 0. If the value modulo division equal to 0, then only it will be the odd even number. So let me provide 22 again. Here you can see the given number is even number. So let me try to run this code once again, and this time I'll provide 13. 13 is odd number. Let's see. Yes, 13 is odd number. So this is how we can check whether the given condition or number is or even or odd. So, can you please try if the given number is greater than 20 or not, and please try from your end and let me know if you have any queries or concerns, or please drop a message in the comment section. I'll help you on that. Uh, that's all for now, and thank you so much. Hope you like this video, and please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon, so that's why you'll be notified um, whenever I upload a new video or lesson on Excel macros. I'm going to upload series of Excel macro learning videos from scratch to advanced level. So please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for your time.